how do I get insurance rates to be increased? And so I want to talk about what the process is, what to do, and sort of what to expect when you are looking to increase your rate with the insurance company that you have. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to draft a letter explaining why you want the rate increase, what are the reasons for it, how many clients you have with this particular payee, maybe what your rate is with them versus your private pay rate, or you don't need to give exact numbers for what you make with other insurance panels, but you can give them a range and say, currently you're paying us $80. I make a range of $90 to $120 with other insurance panels, and I am looking for a rate increase because this year I was certified in EMDR. I have, done this consultation. I've purchased light bars. I've purchased new materials for the office that's going to provide better outcomes for the clients that, I'm working with your insurance panel. So you want to ask for a rate increase. So you can either do a percentage or a flat rate. So I would ask for a rate increase of 20%, or I would ask for a rate increase of $15 per service code. And so you can do that either way. And you want to send that letter into your provider rep. So you want to know who your provider rep is for each particular insurance panel. And then you want to go ahead and send that letter to them. You're going to want to do a follow-up as well to make sure that they received the letter, whether you mail it in, you email it, or you fax it in. Might be in your best interest to do all three to make sure that it gets there. And then follow up and see if they need any information from you, or if there's anything else that is needed. And then you're probably going to wait, about 1 month to 3 months to hear about that rate increase. I think every insurance company does it a little bit different, whether they send a letter or they just start paying you more or they send you a denial. And so let's talk about denials. If you do get denied, don't get discouraged. Just keep trying. You're going to want to send these letters out. I would recommend that you do that every year. We're getting ready to send them out for my office. I'm going to talk about the growth that we've had, the type of clinicians that we've brought on, the types of trainings that every clinician has, and why we deserve a rate increase. And so I've had insurance companies in the past deny me. You can appeal that. You can send another letter. You can talk to your provider rep about maybe why that is happening and get some feedback from there. And then just keep sending those letters every single year. So I want to take a moment to give a shout out to our sponsor, TherapyNotes. If you are looking for an electronic health record that does everything that you're going to need, it sends reminders, lets you book appointments, set recurring appointments. You can do all of your billing through there, take credit cards, manage all of the cash, all the credit cards, all the checks that you take, and bill to insurance companies. I definitely recommend that you check out TherapyNotes. So let's go back to sending that letter. So you want to make those letters personalized to each individual insurance company. So if you're doing one to Blue Cross Blue Shield, make that individualized to them, Cigna, Humana, Aetna, whoever it is that you're sending out to. And you want to make sure, I think the first of the year is a really good time to do this. I think it's, just kind of gives it fresh, gives you an idea of maybe if you can expect some more income during that year. Maybe if you ask for, a 15% increase across the board, then you can expect, at least from your insurance payees, if they all approve your rate, you could have a 15% increase in revenue that year. And that is exciting, right? Who doesn't want a 15% increase in revenue? Especially when, we've done our trainings, you've done your certifications, you've bought materials for your office. I mean, these are things that cost to run a practice. And every year things do get more and more expensive. And I think the insurance companies need to, match us when we have done new things and exciting things in our practice. So I would encourage you to send out those letters. Please comment below if you are either planning on sending out those letters this year, or if you've already, if you are going to send out those letters, or if you already sent them out. Please let us know where you're at with getting more money from insurance panels, which is very exciting. So I'm here every Tuesday and Thursday, live with Amanda at 3 p.m. Please send me any questions that you have to Amanda at AmandaPattersonLMHC.com, or you can just send me a message if you're on our Facebook group, My Private Practice Collective. Sometimes I'll just pull questions from there because it's something I know a lot of people are interested in about, and I'll go ahead and talk about that. So I will see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.